In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital signature in PDF Exchange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to, of course, open up the PDF where you wish to create your signature, and then you want to go to the Protect tab up top over here and click on where it says Sign Document or Place Signature. It doesn't really matter. Now, when you click on that, here it's already kind of going to give you a preview, but you can, of course, draw it in however big you want it to be. So if I just click and hold my mouse click and drag out, there we go, I can now drag out my digital signature. For me, my signature is already here, but I'm going to show you how to create it if it's not there for you as well. So release this and it's going to open up this menu. And then to create a new digital signature, you want to go to Add Digital ID up top. And then from here, you want to click on Create a New Digital ID. And from here, you first have to give it a name. So for example, I'm just going to type in IHT, so Instant How To, because I do have that one already. You can just type in your name basically. You can type in your organization unit and organization name. So if you want to, these fields are optional. And then here you have to type in the email address. So I'm going to type in the email address right now. There we go. And then over here, you have to select your country or region, your key algorithm, and then what you're going to be using this for, either for signatures, encryption, or for both. And then here you can just go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to add inside here. Now, after you've done that, click on the signature. Here you can, of course, even manage how it's going to look like. So if you click on that here, as you can see, you have like 4 different options. I prefer this one, so I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to click OK, and then OK again, and it's going to basically allow me to save the document. So I'm just going to name this IHT signed. There we go, and I'm going to save it. And there we go, it's going to open it right away. And as you can see here, I now do have my digital signature. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.